Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and whenever watching this, welcome to a new vlog. Nice sunny day here in Hyderabad. It's a Monday, long weekend I guess. A lot of places are empty, but we gotta do our work. Now heading to Aptronics here in Banjara Hills because previous vlogs you might have heard me that I'm due for an upgrade for the iPhone 12. Very much interested for it. But first I need to sell my iPhone 10. Yes, it's been 3 years since I've been using this iPhone. There was a small issue where the battery was bulging. Like this was 2 months back. Came to the store, got the battery replaced. These guys were lovely to replace the screen too, because they realized that there is potentially some damage that can happen because it became weak. So they replaced the screen and the battery. So it's pretty much like brand new phone. It's an iPhone 10 256 GB version, all black. I'll place the OLX link in the description in case you're interested, a genuine buyer. Please don't buy because you're my subscriber. Just kidding. If you're a serious buyer interested in an iPhone 10, I am not expecting anything less than 35,000 because the screen is replaced, battery condition is excellent. It's like brand new phone, guys, and there are hardly any scratches. I maintained it always in a case. You can check the photos in the OLX link down below. Let me know. As I said, I'm not expecting anything below 35,000. No negotiations and only genuine buyers, please. Yeah, hit me up there. Sweet. Anyway, here at Aptronics, I'm just giving the phone for a checkup because before I want to sell, I just want to make sure everything is perfect. Don't want to dupe you guys with something, right? Do basic diagnostics, make sure the battery and screen and everything is perfect. Catch you guys in a short while.
A few moments later.
You guys saw that lovely sunset, right? Oh man. I don't know if this lens did any justice to it, but that's a max the 16mm lens can capture, man, but it looks lovely in person. Anyway, done with the Aptronics appointment. Had to wait for a freaking long 1.5 hour. It was just a 15-minute task. I just wanted to get a diagnostics of the entire device before I sell so that it's in pristine condition. So everything is perfect, all checked. No errors or no error marks. So whenever I sell, be it Apple Trade-in or anyone else, they can do the diagnostics themselves with any software and it should be perfect. And the battery has just 155 cycles, 100% battery capacity. So all good, all ready to sell and get the new iPhone 12. I'm waiting for the Pro Max reviews. For me, video is the most important thing and that's the only reason I'm still considering Pro Max. Otherwise, I would have purchased 12 by now because pre-orders are already open. Meeting a friend here at Starbucks Jubilee Hills just for a short while. I'll actually introduce him to you because he's going to be a big guy in the future, so you need to watch him out. That's the T120 Black Edition, guys. Unfortunately, can't show you much now in this dark night sky, but by the way, that's Sri, my school friend. An upcoming movie director. His debut film is launching sometime next year. Like that's going to be a big film with Karthikeya, right? Yes, so go watch it. No title announced, nothing, right? Not yet, but it's a fun action-oriented film. Got it right?
It's an action comedy. Yeah,
Action comedy.
Hopefully in theaters.
So this is his first bike in the big bike journey. So he went with the classic T120, same as Shiva's bike, but different color theme. You enjoying the biking?
Love it.
So previously, before this, what were you riding?
Yamaha FZ.
So you can upgrade to a good big bike and still have a great experience.
Oh yes.
So did you feel any time overwhelming or?
I mean, before I buy it, but it's an easy breeze after like.
So Triumph Classics are very easy to ride.
Yeah,
That's
very
one
easy
thing
to
if you are upgrading for big bikes, best thing. Classics are so easy to get away with because even if you're upgrading from smaller bikes, get a classic because the torque will help you have that big bike feel but also not too overwhelming. When he was buying a bike, he wanted opinion from us about which bikes to buy, how to go about it because he wanted to get into the biking journey. Anyway, done here at Starbucks. Probably catch you guys in a short while because we're meeting Sriman and others for a new test drive actually. His car purchase is still due. Hey guys. He's done with the Harrier test drive. Liked it?
Confused. I liked it. I didn't love it. Actually, same with the Seltos. I liked it. I didn't love it.
I
They're
thought
all
Seltos,
good.
everything was good for you.
It's all good, but it's not like, oh, wow. That factor is missing. That factor is there only on the Tiguan for now.
Oh, you can't wait for an year and take maybe Tiguan.
Here also I can't have that much money where I can take a Tiguan because I'm pooling a little bit.
Now the Tiguan's actually new price is 45 lakhs, right?
Yeah, and you get that only one version, all space,
Yeah.
which I don't want. It's a 7-seater.
Maybe we'll steal Chaitanya's car.
See, వాడు ఎట్లా నడుపుతాడు తెలుసు దాన్ని
వద్దు వాడు నిన్న నీ డ్రైవింగ్ చూసాడు
అరే
సస్పెన్షన్
అది గుంతలో పడ్డారు ఏం చేయలేము నేను ఇవాళ కూడా పడేసినాను వర్ణాన్ని అక్కడ అదే గుంతలో సేమ్
Same.
సేమ్ వాడే గుర్తుకొచ్చాడు
ఎనీవే ఐ థింక్ he is slightly confused but somehow I feel he made up his mind. He liked the performance of Harrier.
Mentally I made up my mind to take the Seltos, but I just want to give one try before putting in so much money on the Harrier.
Yeah.
Not 100% impressed. Engine wise super impressed, quality wise also impressed. Only thing is right I mean you are saying it's not right
Handling,
quality.
it's not right.
Handling and engine is excellent. Engine noise is too much, no?
It is actually
Loud.
Pleasant to hear.
It's nice to hear, but
Yeah.
on the long run, like you can't listen to it like continuously.
But you won't rev it so much na test drive vehicle,
Correct,
so
correct.
you
That's
rev
also
it
there.
so much.
True.
And it's a 1-year-old vehicle, so we don't know how bad
Yeah,
it was
yeah.
revved.
They bashed it like properly.
But I think
Now, one last discussion with all my friends and family, and then we'll take a call.
yeah, finally it's always the family who has to give in because they will be part of the ride. But done for the day, guys. That's it. So I already test drove Harrier. I liked it. I wanted to take it, booked it, but it was 1 year back. At that time, they didn't have the 170 horsepower engine. They only had the 140 horsepower, which was very bad.
Are
And they didn't have automatic then.
Anyone who is like looking to go for a compact SUV, and if you don't mind the design and all that, blindly go for the Harrier.
Yeah.
If you're like finicky like me, that you want looks also to be a part of it, you know, I like the front, I don't like the rear and the side. If you don't worry about all that, blindly go for the Harrier.
I loved it. I wanted to take it, booked it, pre-booked it before it was launched, but somehow was not excited with the performance and the gearbox. The new one's good, but I feel they could have done few more upgrades with the touchscreen and all for this year, but I think they will soon do it. Actually, they have a 7-seater one which looks good, electronic parking brake and all. That's coming maybe end of this year, sorry. Anyway, car selection is a pain, man. I'm happy with this set, manam.
This is nice. If it was like this, at least Harrier, I would pakka buy it.
The right quality. He's talking about the right
Right
quality.
quality, yeah. And interiors.
Anyway, done for the day. In case you're watching this at night time, have a good night, take care, and see you in the next one. A lot of stuff coming up this week, so stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe and share button. Bye bye. Hey guys, before I end the video, just want to give you behind the scenes of something. So whenever I sell something on OLX, I make sure I take good photographs. So currently I'm just taking some photos with nice lighting. If you're interested in purchasing a new iPhone, the link will be in the description. Please only serious buyers. Someone else manages this OLX account, so don't trouble them too. But anyway, let me take some nice photos of this device before I put it on OLX and see you soon. Okay, bye bye.